Some people wake up in the morning, drink something they believe is healthy. Maybe warm water with lemon, maybe a detox drink they saw online, and they expect their liver to slowly get better. But after weeks or even months, nothing really changed. The reports still look the same, the fatigue is still there, and a quiet doubt begins to grow. Is the problem with the liver itself or with what they are doing every morning? Another thought appears. Maybe the body just needs more time, or maybe something else is missing. And this is exactly where most misunderstandings begin. Because the morning routine people follow often feels correct, but the body responds very differently than expected. But don't worry, because in this video, I will help you understand what actually happens inside your liver in the morning, which habits truly support liver recovery, which common practices are misunderstood, and how to build a simple routine that works with your body instead of against it. By the end of this video, you will have a clear, practical understanding of what really matters and what are actually myths. So let's get started. Now, let's understand this scientifically in a very simple way. Here is where most people get it wrong. They think that the liver needs to be detoxed every morning with special drinks. But in reality, your liver is already your body's detox system. It works all night while you sleep, processing toxins, balancing hormones, and regulating metabolism. Research from institutions like the National Institute of Health has clearly shown that the liver continuously performs detoxification through its natural enzyme systems, not through external drinks. So, when you wake up, the real question is not how to detox your liver, but how to support what it is already doing. This is why hydration matters more than any detox claim. When you wake up, your body is slightly dehydrated. Starting your morning with plain warm water helps circulation, supports metabolic activity, and assists the liver in processing waste products efficiently. This is the first simple step in any effective morning routine for liver health. So, if you are dealing with fatty liver or sluggish metabolism, this is the first thing you should focus on. Not fancy drinks, but basic hydration. Now, this is something many people don't expect. They believe adding lemon to water automatically improves liver function. Lemon water is often presented as a cure, but the reality is more balanced. Lemon contains vitamin C and antioxidants, which can support overall health, but it doesn't directly clean the liver. Your body responds to nutrients in a very specific way. What matters more is your overall metabolic state, not a single ingredient. If you are drinking lemon water but still consuming excessive calories, sugar, or processed foods later in the day, the benefit becomes negligible. And if you are relying only on morning drinks while ignoring lifestyle, you may actually be slowing your progress without realizing it. And this is a confusion I see very often. This is the part that surprises most people. Coffee, which may assume is harmful, actually has a strong scientific support for liver health when consumed in moderation. Studies published in journals like the British Medical Journal have shown that regular coffee consumption is associated with a lower risk of liver fibrosis and fatty liver progression. The real goal is not to eliminate everything you enjoy. The real goal is to understand how your body responds. Coffee contains compounds that may reduce inflammation and improve liver enzyme levels. But here is the key. It should not replace hydration, and it should not load it with sugar or artificial creamers. So far, we have seen that fatty liver is not random, and this is where the real issue becomes clear. Morning movement is another area people misunderstand. Many people believe intense exercise is required to improve liver function, but the liver responds more to consistency than intensity. Even light activity in the morning, such as the short walk or gentle stretching, improves insulin sensitivity and helps the liver manage fat more effectively. Research from metabolic studies has shown that regular physical activity improves liver fat levels by enhancing how the body uses glucose and fat. So, if you are skipping movement in the morning, and relying only on drinks or supplements, you are missing one of the most powerful natural tools. Let me be very clear. You don't need extreme solutions. You also don't need complicated programs. You only need consistency and the right understanding. When you fix how your body handles energy and hydration in the morning, your liver starts responding the way it should. Here is what I recommend for a simple and effective morning routine for liver health. Step 1. Start your day with a glass of warm water. This supports hydration and metabolic activation after sleep. Step 2. If you enjoy it, you can have coffee in moderation, but keep it simple and avoid added sugar. Step 3. Add 10 to 20 minutes of light physical activity, such as walking or stretching, to improve metabolism and liver function. Step 4. Eat a balanced breakfast if you are hungry, focusing on protein and fiber rather than sugar-heavy foods. Start small, stay consistent. Your body adapts over time. Your liver doesn't need extreme detox routines. It needs support, stability, and the right daily signals. If you learned something new from today's video, please like it, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Dr. Max for simple, natural, and science-based ways to stay healthy and live better. Start today.